Back here on the practice course, par 4, 305 to the front, so we'll see what happens. Whack away. Oh, just crackling and popping. I know the mic picked up on that. Stop. I'll take it. Down the left side of the fairway. That'll do. That'll do. Send her there, Stuart. Stand her. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. God bless. There it is. And yeah, it'll get the job done. Alrighty. Just outside the fairway. Slightly tall stuff. It's telling me 85 to the front, 92 to the middle. Try to hit a 52 up there. I hit a 48 yesterday and sent it to the back, so see if we can get something to the middle of it. I hear playing with a golf ball like crazy. I don't think I hit it.
Get up there.
Ah! Oh, all right. Well, landed this thing short. Should have full swung the 52, not half swung it half-heartedly. So, now let's bump and run this thing. 52. Let's just get it up there, let it run its course. Something like that. Something like that. Safe par. Just scrambling. We just scramble out here. Just Lamar Jackson, just scramble. Scramble and save. Scramble. Stewart scramble and save. That's the real question. Gotta hit it, mate. Gotta hit it. Scramble par putt. Signed, sealed, delivered. Dunk it. Oh my days. Oh no. Yep. Par. Even through one. Onto the second. Hole 2, par 3. 100. What did we say? 160.
Yeah, 167.
167 to the middle.
181 to the back.
181 to the back.
158 to the
158 to the front.
front.
It's kind of a middle hole location, so around the 165, 170 mark. We're gonna hit a 6-iron. We're gonna see if we can get it on up there. Find a poopy tee, because I don't want to break a good one. Hopefully I'm in the camera. Left it right. The number 2. That was the number. Just let the club face open. Sent it that way. But fish and chips gonna be chipping. Here we go. Oh. Pulled it left? Not terrible though. Nope. Box on 1 right now, so should be good for a minute. Oh, run, run. Sprint your little heart out. Now don't run anymore. Golly. Yeah, you bounce that thing over. All right. It's a little short-sighted. Not my favorite miss. I'm not the biggest fan of missing here on the short because it doesn't give you much time to run out. So, Richie, this is that bump on this is that 56 I was talking about yesterday where we're short-sighted. We don't got much rollout. This is where I'll use the 56. Just put it at the front. I mean, most people, yeah, put it at the front, wait forward, dink it, and just let it kind of sit there. Layman, try to aim for that little spot right there. So it's the game plan. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can execute. Thought it was gonna go a little bit more that way, but I mean, can't really complain with a chip shot like that out the rough. Decent putt to save the par. This man trying to kill me out here. Jeebus. A little too much and to the left. A little too much and to the left. I'll mark it. Well, I don't have my ball mark. What am I doing? Rookie out here. Oh, went for the floppy. Ooh. Hey, that means we got some good grass out here. Some good greens today. For a $0 course and it actually playing, can't really say much. Well, I guess you paid $4. That's valid. Better than 20 for a 9-hole and a cart. Dunk her on in there, mate.
I just know my ball's gonna bounce over this.
Correct. All we're trying to do is have a good stroke on the golf ball. I would say aim about right here. That's what our aim point. I would go. Where are you at?
There anything?
Yes. Yes. Keep that face the whole time. Yep. Oh, no, you left it.
No.
Nope, nope, nope. All right. Little left, right, nothing crazy, right off that left edge. Trying to play it uphill just a hair. Can I keep the club face correct at address? Can I hit it hard enough? That's the real second question. I hit it hard enough. We hit it. Oh, too hard.
10 was there. If 10 wasn't there, it would have won.
Yep. Mm-hmm. There it is. Hole 2 in the books. Took a bogey on that one. It's kind of what you get when you miss the green. Kind of have to scramble. A little Lamar Jackson aspect there, but only +1 through 2. You can kind of make it up, so it's no biggie. Alrighty. On to the third hole. Your true par 3. Another true par 3. Looking back here from the nosebleed bleachers. We're hitting 352 to the middle of the green. So we're just going to pull out a driver and hopefully we keep it in the fairway. About 150 out. Be a game plan. That'd be the ideal number. And are we counting bonus points if we hit the lawnmower? That's what I'm saying. So
Yes, that takes off 2 strokes from your total score.
Stuart says that takes off 2. It's 2 for hitting them, 2 points. I'll take it. I don't know why this man is coming towards us. That's the wildest thing I've ever seen.
He don't care.
No, he has no care in the world. My dude, you are on a practice course. None of these golfers know what they're doing. I barely know what I'm doing.
Now he's right in front.
What is this man doing?
He's doing that because he thinks we can drive to them. So he's just keeping them safe.
I guess. What lawn maintenance man has no care for anybody on a golf course? It's incredible.
I'm surprised they don't have cages.
It's
At golf courses they have at
this
least
is-
cages on the back.
This is nuts. Does he just not think that I'm going to hit him? I mean, it's incredible. That's like my landing. This man's just driving in the fairway. No hard hat on or nothing. Is he he's cutting a fringe. Is what we're saying, I guess.
He's extending the fairway.
Thank you goodness. I need that. All right, here we go. Hopefully this man doesn't turn back around to at me. Just keep running. Keep running because I don't got distance or height. Just go. Keep on sprinting. Lengthen them hamstrings. Lengthen the hamstring. Good vibes, good drives. Oh no. Oh no.
That TP5X just don't want to stay.
Yeah, it'll do that.
It just wants to be hit by the lawnmower.
Yes. It's that pink one that you want. That's why.
Alright, I'm trying to hit the lawnmower.
Well, he looks like he wants to be hit. Shockingly.
I didn't even see it.
You went over the trees right.
I'll just drop with you.
Alright, hit a pretty clean drive. Looks like it only went about 2 something. I ain't doing math. I ain't mathing nothing. But from here, looking about 149 to the front, 160 to the middle. Gonna try to send a 7 up there. We'll see what happens. Ball a little bit below my feet. Got a lawnmower going in the background, just doing loops. And then I have a family of 4 just having a picnic on the green up here. So find out what happens here in a minute. I got this man putting on a whole bottle of sunscreen.
Can't get burnt. That one day, the first day we went golfing this year, man, that was rough. I got blisters in the backside of my leg.
It's incredible. Oh, I don't want to run y'all off. You just let us bypass, we'll go.
I'm gonna run my ball over.
Probably is. Because that's about where it was. Meow. Oh, not yet? This lawnmower dude is just...
Hopefully it just like sank in the ground.
He found it. It's about right. Yeah. Checks out.
Dang, that was a good 6-iron.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, you smoked it. Hit it clean as hell. Problem is I should probably hit now because once he goes over there, I'm going to pull it left right into his forehead. But this man is just... What am I supposed to do? This is wild. I will state, most lawn care people on a golf course will stop when you're shooting and watch you just so they don't die. This gentleman, on the other hand, just doing laps. I don't even know how to go about this. Yeah, I gotta hit at some point, mate. Yep, knew where that was gonna go whole time. Knew that was gonna be an issue, but that's what you get when you're out on a practice course for $0. Maintenance people just do what they feel. Oh, it's right. It's good contact though. It's left, but that would have been it. Yep. Yes. Oh. Oh. Take it though. Take it. Yep, yep. The stars are aligning. The shots are falling in place. Can we add on top of that one? Fish and chips, gotta go by the name. Gotta live up to the name. All right, here we go. Just short side. Didn't get all of it, but can we get it close and scramble? Like Lamar, Michael Vick. Nope. Gotta stop talking in my backswing. All right, we got a tough one here. Try to save par. It doesn't matter to me. You're already taking it out, so that's fine. Definitely didn't save that chip shot too well, but that absolutely just superb. That's the roll. Just gotta leave it higher. Yeah. That lawnmower guy. Yeah. I swear, me and this lawnmower guy are gonna go rounds if he just keeps going in each hole with us. He was over there. He could have just done that one and then flippy flop. I don't know if he thinks I did something. I don't know. Maybe because I have a camera and talking to myself. I don't know. But this guy is an absolute headache. Never seen a lawn care dude just not care about his life.
No, he doesn't.
At all. Man does not care. Incredible. And this man keeps putting on layers and layers of sunscreen. I'm eating it.
I have to. I was miserable that last time we were out here.
I feel it. Is this dude good? What? It's insane.
I say just hit it. If you hit him, he goes home, and now we don't have to deal with it.
It's a valid argument. All right. Hole 4, par 3. Hitting a country mile. About 168 to the middle, maybe 170.
I forgot to put my brush back on my bag.
And looks like a little bit of wind. And a moving target, aka a lawnmower. So, let's see how close we can put this and not kill this lawnmower guy. Yeah. God. I hit that so bad. So bad. Still not looking. I was like, wait 1 second. All right. Oh no. Yep. You won. I didn't think he was actually gonna hit it at me. I didn't think you were gonna actually hit it at me. All right, let's see. Just short-sighted it. Short of a hole. Slight uphill lie. Not terrible. We'll try 56, see if we can get this to kind of get up there. Too much. Not ideal here. This ain't gonna break what yeah. This isn't gonna break what anybody thinks it's gonna break. Oh.
Maybe if it was a flat green, it would have went.
Oh no, it would have been gone. That thing would have had so many legs, it would have beat Usain Bolt. Oh, bogey again. Bogey again. Oh, left it below the hole, mate. Alrighty. Bogeyed that last one.
For a second.
Not the cleanest of contact of the golf ball. Also not my favorite hole here. There's a lot of not favorite holes here because they are all ridiculous. I got this one lined up on the far side. They got you aiming at the other tee box. But we're sitting in a par 3, 144 to the middle, 130-ish to the front. Little middle hole location. Taking an 8-iron. Seeing if we could send something up there. Controlled, flighted well. Go from there. Run. Hit it a little thin. Hit it on the bottom, but we'll take it. Oh no. You went jerky on it. Alright. Just inside, just on the green. A green in regulation. What does that mean? No clue. Looks like a slight right to left. I'm gonna try to play it off of that.
This 60 degree feels so good today.
I'm about to say, it's sounding good, looking good. If I could hit a golf ball and a putt, it'd be great. Parred that somehow. Should have birdied it, but playing US Open. Pars are good today. Jordan. Oh no.
Man, I hit that right on the heel and it flipped my club.
Yep.
In my hand.
Done that before. Been there, done that. My silly butt wasn't recording when we were doing the first shot. Get a green in regulation. I'll take a birdie on that one. I don't get a picture. I don't get a video of the first shot. And then I drain that putt instead. But, you know, I needed a birdie somewhere today. And I guess I'll take it on my least favorite hole on the whole course. Birdie the last one. So we're what?
329. I can drive the green.
I am 4 over? 4 over? 4 over. Saved one with a birdie on that last hole. Don't know how. I'm not going to ask questions. We don't draw pictures on a scorecard. It's just a 2 with a circle over it. So now, 7th hole, par 4, but it's only 220 yards to the green. So in theory, you could drive this if you want. Most likely, you're going to end up in those 2 bunkers over there and then having to hit a wedge out of that. I don't feel like doing that. I'm going to hit an 8-iron, put it in the middle of the fairway, and then hit the club I want to hit in. So that's the game plan. Playing a little bit of tactical golf here. A little U.S. Open aspect at Oakmont. Even though this is nowhere near Oakmont. Thank God. But here we go. Plop one down here and swing away. There's the tee.
That is so straight.
Oh,
Took a big bounce to the left.
gnarly kick left. But I got an extra shot for this hole, so that's fine. Oh, you sent her straight into the woods. Well, tall grass. Alrighty, 60 to the middle. It's about a 65 to the middle, 53 to the front. Hitting our second shot, looking to hit it to 60. I'm gonna try to full swing a 56. This is ballsy, but we'll see what happens. I guess that happened. That works. That worked. The 60 as everything, huh? Nice, like if you were here, this would be a nice 60 because you're short-sighted. Kind of. It's more, the 60 is more if you're close to like, if you're short-sighted yourself. And what I mean by short-sighted yourself is we land on this side and we have no rollout ability. So you, in that sense, is you wouldn't want to bump and run it. You want it to fly and then drop and sit, not go anywhere. If I was on that side, I'd want a 52 bump and run and let it run out, let it get some legs. All right, can we go back to back here, guys? Back to back. Nope. Good roll though. Take a par.
Now you're gonna go put on like good greens. You're just gonna
That,
kill it every time.
well, alrighty. 8th hole, par 3 again. We're at 143 to the front, 158 to the middle. I'm gonna, ooh, that's a back hole location. That's playing a more 170 number. Doesn't look like we got wind. I'll whip out the 6 and hope for the best. Fingers crossed we can make some contact, send her on up there. That looks back hole location, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm going with.
I hate how their flags are like a
A green?
yeah, like a greenish.
Yeah.
So hard to see with the
Yeah.
background.
Yeah. All right. Nope, flighted it left. I was not.
Your ball and bouncing left today.
Too much speed. That was interesting. That's better. Get over. I didn't either.
I lost it.
But we'll see. Hole 9, par 3. Finish off this front 9, or 9 in general. Sitting 145 to the front, 158 to the middle. It's a middle hole location. We're gonna try to flight a 7 all the way up there. We'll see what happens. Clean contact. Go from there. I flighted it. It just stayed right. Super short. That wind must have ate it, because that was in the pocket. Oh, you didn't bend at all. You stayed as stiff as you could. All right. Short right. Didn't really handcuff myself though. Got a good opportunity to get up and down here. Just got to scramble a little bit. So, see what happens. See ya. I'll take it though. Not terrible.
I just wanted to be over here with you.
I know. You just wanted to watch me chip the ball. Just don't kill me.
Try not to.
Okay.
No promises.
I know.
That rolled a lot more than I thought it would.
Yep. I feel you. All right. Did not leave myself a good one, but sit down.
Killed.
Smoked it. Smoked that thing. Well, finished with a bogey, unfortunate.